Bleckley County Sheriff did not appear for a scheduled court hearing this morning in Cobb County. Coody was scheduled to face a misdemeanor sexual battery charge, but the case had a last-minute status change. Anthony Montalto explains what that means as the case moves forward.
Bleckley County Sheriff Coody was expected to appear in a Cobb County State courtroom Thursday morning around 9 o'clock. But as the judge went through his roll of who was set to appear, he said the case was on call, meaning things looked to be on hold, at least for the moment.
All right, my name is Cobb. The court has a jury trial calendar call today.
That was how court started Thursday, but not for Coody. 45 minutes after Judge Carl Bowers walked into the courtroom, he finally read Coody's name. But he wasn't there. Instead, he was waiting on a phone call to come into court. That's what on-call means.
You'll receive at least a 1-hour notice. You'll likely receive at least an overnight notice.
Judge Bowers' staff said they expected Coody to make a plea up until Wednesday afternoon, but his attorney, Joel Pugh, asked for the new status because of a heavy caseload Thursday.
The court will take pleas at any point in time that the parties reach an agreement.
Coody was scheduled to face a misdemeanor charge of sexual battery for allegedly groping TV judge Glenda Hatchett in a Cobb County hotel bar last year. It would have been his first court appearance since he was charged. If he appears in the next couple of weeks and pleads not guilty, Coody could face a jury in July.
The only week in which cases will be reached or can be reached is the third week of this jury trial calendar, which is the week of July the 17th.
Right now, there's no word on when Coody might make his next appearance, but the court says they can give him up to 2 hours notice before he's set to appear before a judge anytime in the next 3 weeks. His attorney says they are willing to go to trial if they don't work things out with the state. In Marietta, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
Coody's lawyer, Joel Pugh, did not speak to us on camera, but says this is fairly common. He says he does not believe the state will drop the case. Prosecutor Lindsay Chancellor says she does not think the case, however, will go to trial. Coody has not responded to interview requests since he was charged. He also did not return our phone calls today.